All right, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number 4, week 4 of our journey together. It's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. So the first thing is that the question is asking us, what is the most basic unit of all living things? And the answer is definitely cells. But I want to know what does groups of cells, if we have groups of cells come together, what does that form? Anyone know?
Is it organ?
Yes, ma'am. All right, what were you saying? What are you saying? Someone saying something? Hello? I asked, after cells is what? So
Organ?
no, it's not organs,
Tissues?
not systems, no.
Tissues?
Say it again.
Tissues?
Tissues, very good. So,
Excuse me.
yes.
Are you sharing your screen right now?
Yes, I am. It's Blackie.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, let me see something.
I'm finished shading it in.
Okay, good. All right, so so the first thing we have is cells. Cells is the most basic, right? Then after cells are what? Cells come together to make up what?
Tissue.
Tissues, very good. And then after tissues is what?
Organ.
Organ. And then after the organ is the?
Organ system.
Very good, the system. So again, and then the systems come together to form the human being. So for example, if we look at this picture, we first have the cell. Then after the cell is the what?
Tissue.
Tissue. And after the tissue is the what?
The organ.
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 Very good. And after the organ is the what?
Organ system.
System. And then after the system is the human being, right? Good. So cells make up tissues, tissues make up organs, organs make up systems, systems make up the human body. That's how it works. So cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, human. So the correct answer, which is the most basic unit of all living things, is going to be the what?
Cells.
Cells. Okay. Ariana, do you have that shaded in?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move on to the next question.
Oh, are we doing this in the textbook?
Yes, you're doing it in your textbook.
Well, we already did this.
You already shaded in your textbook?
Yes, sir. We did this like one of the days.
Okay. So you already have the shading in your textbook, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Excuse me, Mr. Batik, can I read number 2, please?
Sure. All right. I'm doing it again because some people just got their book. Go ahead, Diana. Not Diana, I'm sorry, Kendeja. For number 2.
Which part of the cell is like the brain? Is like the brain of the cell? A. Cell wall. B.
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Or C. Nucleus. Or D. Nucleus.
Vacuole.
Vacuole.
Okay, what's the correct answer?
Nucleus.
Very good. Nucleus. So the part of the cell that is like the brain of the cell is the nucleus. So the answer is C.
Mr. Batik, I'm finished.
Okay, great. Let's go on to the next question. Do we have this shaded in?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Kirk. Kirk. Kirk Ingram.
Yes, sir.
Can you read A?
Okay. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the fungi? A. It makes its own food. B. It is a dumb decomposer.
Decomposer, yeah.
C. It lives near moist areas. D. Most are single celled.
All right, good. So it's gonna be what? What's the correct answer?
A.
A. It makes its own food. Very good. So the correct answer is A.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
On Sunday, do we bring our math Glat book and our social studies Glat book?
That's a good question. You always bring your Glat books to the classes. All right. Always bring your Glat books to classes. Face to face and virtual. You understand now?
Yes, sir. Do we bring our notebooks or
Yes.
only the?
No, on your notebook as well. All right, let's go. Let's turn to
I'm finished number 3 too.
okay, good. Let's move on to what is the name of the organism that makes its own food?
A producer.
A producer. Very good. What is the name of a producer?
A plant. Plants. And flowers.
So yeah, plants are producers. Very good. Okay, let's move on to question number 4. Javon, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you read number 4, please?
The following is the reproductive structure of fungi. A. Flowers. B. Pollen. C. Seeds. D. Spores. The answer will be D. Spores.
Very good. D, spores. That's the reproductive structure of fungi. Shade it in your Glat book, please.
I already knew the answer to these because you teach us, so I already showed it.
I'm finished.
Okay, great. DeAndre. DeAndre? I can't hear from DeAndre. DeAndre, have you shared this in your book?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go on to question number 5. Question number 5 is for DeAndre. Can you read number 5, please? Which of the following?
Which of the following best defines an invertebrate? A. Animal with backbone. B. An animal without a backbone. C. An animal that crawls. D. An animal that spread germs and diseases. The answer is B. An animal without a backbone.
Very good. So animal without backbone is what we call an invertebrate. So please shade that in your book. Again, please shade this in your book. The answer is B.
Can I read the next one?
Yes, you can. Number 6.
Which group of invertebrates has poisonous threads? A. Arthropods. B. Sponges. C. Stinging cells. Or D. Sponges. My answer is D. Stinging cells.
Very good. Stinging cells. Give me an example of organism that has stinging cells. Anyone?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Very good.
A stingray.
Stingray. Right, so stinging cells is the correct answer.
Hydra.
All right. Let's go on to number 7. I want Ariana to read number 7. Ariana, can you read number 7?
Sponges are covered with tiny holes. What are these holes called? A. Spores. B. Pores. C. Stomata. D. Vent. The
Very good.
answer is B. Pores.
Pores, very good. So tiny holes that are covered with are pores. B, pores. Next up is question number 8. I'm gonna ask Candesia. Read question number 8, please.
Which system works alone with the skeletal system to cause movement? A. The
Circulatory.
the circulatory system. B. The
Digestive.
digestive system. Or C. The muscular system. Or D. This reporter.
Respiratory.
Respiratory system. It is C. The muscular system.
That's correct. So the correct answer is C. Please put that in your Glat book. Shade it in. Shade in the full box, okay? So shade in the box completely.
I'm finished.
All right, great.
I'm finished.
Okay. All right, let's move on to question number 9. DeAndre, can you read number 9, please?
Each boy has particular
DeAndre, we can't hear you at all.
Can you hear me?
I hear you now.
Each bone in the body has a particular job to do. A. What is the job of the bones that is shown in the picture? A. To send blood to the brain. B. To tell the brain how to function. C. To protect the brain. D. To send messages to the brain. The answer is C. To protect the brain.
Very good. What is the name of this bone that protects the brain?
The skull.
The skull. Very good. What's the scientific name for the skull? Anyone can remember? I told you what was the scientific name. Anyone know what's the scientific name? The scientific name for the skull
Is the cranium?
is the cranium. The cranium. Cranium is the scientific name for the skull. So, and the job of the skull is to do what?
To protect the brain.
Very good, to protect the brain. All right, let's move on to the next question. Question number 10. Kirk, can you read number 10, please? Alcohol.
Alcohol is a drug that is abused in the Bahamas. How does alcohol affect the body of a human being? A. Decreased breathing. B. Decreased brain activity. C. Increased brain activity. D. Increased heart rate. The answer is B. Decreased activity.
What it says? What's the answer, Kirk?
The answer is B. Decreased brain activity.
Very good. What does it mean for your brain activity to be decreased? What does that mean?
It means it's like it means it like makes it doesn't make you think. Well, it makes you think. It's just it doesn't make you think straight.
Very good. It doesn't make you think as fast as you would need to be thinking. So you think sluggish and slow, and you're not as quick and aware and alert. Let's go on to question number 10. Question number 10, I want Ariana to read.
This is question 11.
I mean, number 11, sorry.
Which cells fight infections in the body? A. Muscle cells. B. Nerve cells. C. Red blood cells. D. White blood cells.
Very good. So what is the correct answer, Ariana?
Is it D. White blood cells?
Yes, that's correct. So the white blood cell is responsible for fighting infections. So please circle that please shade that in your book if you don't have it already.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I've already have it in my book already. Shared it in.
That's great. Make sure it's completely shaded now.
Yes, sir, it is completely shaded.
Mm.
I'm finished.
All right, let's move on to the next question. Question number 12. Go ahead. Diana, read number 12, please.
Which gas enters the leaf during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Carbon
Monoxide.
monoxide. I think the answer is D. Nitrogen.
No. Enters the leaf during photosynthesis.
Carbon dioxide.
Go ahead, Javon. What you gonna say?
I was going to say carbon dioxide because I have the answer already.
Carbon dioxide. What you think, Kendeja?
The same thing, A.
Carbon dioxide. Very good. So the gas that enters the leaf during photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is needed for photosynthesis to happen.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hello?
Can I read the next one, please?
Yes, you can. So number 12 is carbon dioxide. So the gas that enters the leaf during photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. What is photosynthesis, by the way?
Photosynthesis. I know. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants use sunlight to change carbon dioxide into sugar.
Very good, that's correct. Photosynthesis is the way that plants make their own food. All right, go ahead, Javon. Can you read number 13, please?
Number 13. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants make their own food. Which of the following is not needed for photosynthesis to occur?
To occur.
A. Chlorophyll. B. Soil. C. Sunlight. D. Carbon dioxide. B. Soil.
So what is not needed for photosynthesis?
Soil.
Soil. But you need chlorophyll. Anyone can remember what chlorophyll is?
No, sir.
You can't remember chlorophyll, Ariana? Can you remember chlorophyll?
Chlorophyll is the type of thing that makes the plant have like color, like green color.
Yes, very good. Chlorophyll is the pigment that gives the plant its green color. Remember when we saw chlorophyll last class, science class, it was the green stuff. This is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is inside the chloroplast and it gives the plant its green color.
Oh, now I remember.
Yeah, that's chlorophyll. So what gives the plant its green color? What gives the plant its green color?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll, yes. All right, let's move on to the next question. Go ahead, Ariana, can you read this question in ecosystems?
Me?
Yes, Ariana.
In ecosystems, energy moves from organism to organism. The diagram shown is a representation of A, food chain, B, food web, C, habitat, or D, herbivore. The answer is A, food chain.
Very good. It's a food chain. Very good. In this food chain, Candasia, what eats the plant?
The grasshopper.
Very good. In this food chain, Kirk, in this food chain, what eats the grasshopper? What eats the grasshopper, Kirk?
The frog.
The frog, very good.
The frog. The frog.
Excellent. DeAndre, in this food chain, what eats the frog? DeAndre?
The snake.
The snake, very good. In this food chain, Javon, what eats the snake?
The hawk.
The hawk, very good. All right, let's move on to the next question, question number 14. Do we have the shaded in our books?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
All right, good. Let's move on to the next question. Number 15. All right, can I have Diana? Can you read this question, please?
A lion hunts and eats an antelope. What is the role of the lion is the process?
In this process.
In this process.
It's supposed to be
A.
in. So change the is in your book to in.
A. Herbivore. B. Parasite. C. Predator. D. Prey. The answer is predator.
So the lion hunts the antelope. So that makes the lion the what?
The predator.
The predator. What is the prey?
The person that's getting eaten.
So in this case, what is the prey?
The antelope.
Very good, the antelope.
I'm finished.
All right, great. All right. Are we done with this question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, let's move on to question number 15. Question number 16. Go ahead, Ariana, read this.
Which of the following factors affects the size of a population in the ecosystem? A. Average rainfall. B. Average temperature. C. Number and kinds of predators. C. Type of soil.
Okay, good. So what do you think is the correct answer, Ariana?
Is it average temperature?
So we're trying to figure out what factors gonna affect how big a population is. All right. Is it gonna be the amount of rainfall? Is it gonna be the temperature of the environment? Is it gonna be the predators or is it gonna be the soil? What's gonna affect the size of the population of the ecosystem? Ariana, what you think?
Is it predators?
Yes, the number and kinds of predators. Very good. Deanna, why do you think that the predators will determine the size of the population?
Because they're eating animals like prey. They're eating prey like rats and stuff, and it's taking down the animal population, so they're starting to go extinct.
Very good. Very good.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Do we put the box around size of a population like you did?
No, you don't have to. You don't have to.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, can I use the bathroom, please?
Sure, you can.
I'm done.
All right, no problem. All right, let's go on to the question number 17. DeAndre, can you read number 17, please? DeAndre, can you read number 17? Where's DeAndre? All right, I can't have from DeAndre, so let me try. Candacia, can you read number 17, please?
Yes, sir. Which of the following features describes a
Biome.
biome? A. How large they are. Or B. The kind of soil they have. Or C, their climate and organism. Or D, where they are located.
Good. What do you think describes a biome, Candasia?
I think it is C.
The climate and their climate and organisms.
Yes, sir.
What do you think, Ariana?
What is a biome?
Oh, you don't know it's a biome? Okay. Anyone know what's a biome?
No, sir.
Candasia. Diana, do you know what is a biome?
No, sir.
Okay, there's various types of biomes. There's not just one biome. Go ahead, Kurt. Yes.
Excuse me. My phone is about to die. It's at 11%.
So you have to charge your phone. You're supposed to come to. Hey, Kirk, where's Kirk?
I haven't.
Kirk,
I'm
Kirk,
here.
do you have a charger
Yes,
for your
sir?
phone? Do you have a charger
I
for your
do.
phone?
I do.
Okay, so why haven't you charged your phone before class? Why you wait till your phone to reach 11% and you have a charger? That don't make sense.
I have charged it. It's I have charged it. It's just it wasn't doing anything.
I don't understand. It's what if it was at 100%, then if it was at 100%, then you wouldn't need to charge it right now. But you wait until it's about to die. What you need to do is charge your phone. That's why you have the charger. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So these are different biomes. There are 5. We can talk about 5 biomes. The first one is aquatic biome. Then we have the desert biome. Then you have the forest. Then you have the grassland, and then you have the tundra. Have you all learned about this before? I'm sure you are in school.
No, sir.
No.
No, okay. So these are different biomes. These are what we call different biomes. As you can imagine, different animals live in different biomes based on the climate of the biome. So for example, if we look at the desert, how would you describe the desert? The desert is what?
It is very hot.
It's hot. What else?
Sandy.
Sandy. What else?
It has plenty of predators.
Plenty cactus.
Yeah, right. Cactuses. So when we look at the desert, it's very sunny, it's very hot. And so the animals that live in the desert must be able to adapt to those their surroundings. When we look at the aquatic biome, how would you describe the aquatic biome?
Very. It has coral and
So
It has
go ahead.
It has plenty fishes and it has coral reef.
Very good. So animals who live in the aquatic biome, you think they need to be able to breathe underwater?
Yes, sir.
That's why they have gills.
Very good. That's why they have gills. So for each biome, right, the animals are different because there are different climates, there are different various different situations and circumstances that each organism have to adapt based on where they live. So these are the different biomes. So that's why which features describe a biome? The climate, right? And the organisms define the biome. Okay, so the correct answer is going to be C.
I'm finished.
All right, great. All right, let's move on to question number 18. Javon, can you read number 18, please?
Number 18. Where do the fewest plants grow in a tropical rainforest? A. In the canopy layer.
Canopy layer.
B. In the nursery. C. In the shrub layer. D. In the forest floor.
Okay, good. Okay, so where do the fewest plants grow in the tropical rainforest? The fewest.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
What is the canopy layer?
Canopy. Okay. So you ever learned about the tropical rainforest
I
at
think I've
school?
heard about that before.
Okay, so the tropical rainforests have different layers. Let me show you. So tropical rainforest and its layers. So okay, this is a good picture right now. So here we have, okay. So here we have the bottom layer is the undergrowth layer. After that is the understory. Then we have the canopy, right? Then we have the emergent layer. Those are different layers of the rainforest. And then some people, they section off in a different way. So remember you talk about the shrub layer, right? So let me show you the shrub layer. If this would just, let's go over to the side. Let me show you the shrub layer. So if you look at this properly, where's Javon, the shrub layer is at the bottom, right? Then you have the under canopy. Then you have the canopy. So the canopy is where you know, like a canopy covers stuff. If you know what a canopy is like a big, in real life, a canopy is like a big sheet that covers everything. So in the rainforest, the canopy layer is where you're gonna have all of the big trees, their leaves that acts like a covering. All right, that's the canopy. All right. And then you have
Yes, sir.
the emergence. You understand that? You understand that, Javon? Javon, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's go back to the question. Go ahead.
Excuse me, Mr. Batty. Excuse
Go ahead.
me.
Uh-huh.
I think the answer will be D.
Why D? Where the fewest plants grow.
The fewest plants.
Deanna, what do you think?
I think it's A.
You think it's A in the canopy?
Yes, sir.
Ariana, what do you think?
I don't think she's here because the camera's off and I'm like.
The Ariana,
Yes, sir.
what do you think for number 18?
For number 18, I think it's D in the forest floor.
Why do you think it's a forest floor where the fewest plants grow?
Because the forest floor is where like plants like sprout from.
Okay. So the correct answer is actually D, the forest floor, in the forest floor. Okay. So it is D. If you think a forest floor is D. The reason is because I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna show you why. So Deanna, can you read the bottom, please?
The bottom layer of the floor of the rainforest is covered with wet leaves and leaf litter.
Okay, stop right there. Stop right there.
This material.
Stop right there. So the bottom of the rainforest is covered with what? The forest floor is covered with what?
With wet leaves and leaf litter.
Very good. So it's covered with wet leaves and litter. All right. So, so few plants are found on that floor. Okay. Continue reading.
This material decomposes rapidly in the wet, warm conditions, like a compost pile, sending nutrients back into the soil. Few plants are found on the floor of the forest due to the lack of sunlight.
Very good.
The emergent
That's it. You don't have to read that. All right. So few plants are found there because you don't have enough sunlight in the forest floor. All right. So the fewest plants are found on the forest floor. Okay, so let's move on to question number 19. So the tropical rainforest is a type of what? Let's start with B. The tropical rainforest is a type of what?
It's a type of forest.
No, I said start with B. The word that we learned. Biome. Biome. Okay, so the tropical rainforest is a type of biome. Give me another type of biome. Anyone?
The desert.
The desert. Anyone else? Give me another type of biome.
The Arctic.
Go ahead, Ariana. Say it again.
The grasslands.
The grasslands. Very good. Javon, give me another type of biome.
Antarctic.
Say it again. The aquatic.
The aquatic.
Aquatic, yes. All right. And anyone else? Yes, Candasia?
I can't remember what the last one and the other one.
The tundra.
Oh yeah, the tundra.
So we have grasslands, tundra, aquatic, desert, and rainforest. Okay. Those are different types of biomes.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Do they have like a type of winter biome?
Winter biome?
Yes, sir. Like a type of snowy biome.
Like, you mean like the Arctic?
Yes, sir.
Let me check. Not sure.
Is the savanna a biome?
I think that falls under the grasslands. So, yeah, so let's go. So we have the rainforest, the taiga, the forest. Oh, the tundra. The tundra is the Arctic one. the desert and the grasslands. So tundra is really the the winter one. Aquatic biomes. Okay. So that there's various tundra, desert, savanna, tropical rainforest, stuff like that. Those are different biomes where different plants live, plants and animals live, depending on their, their characteristic. So, okay, good. Oh, I wanted to check out tundra. Which biome is your favorite?
My favorite is the rainforest.
Your favorite is the rainforest?
My favorite is the aquatic.
Aquatic, okay.
My favorite is the forest.
Okay, the forest. Interesting. Javon, what's your favorite?
The aquatic.
The aquatic, okay. No one likes the tundra? Oh, wow.
I like the tundra too.
You know what you could do on the tundra? Let me tell you what you could do on the tundra. You could actually go skiing. That should be cool, right?
Oh yeah, because it's just like
Yeah. How many persons would like to go skiing in the tundra?
Me.
yeah, I want to see snow.
Me too. I want to play with snow.
All right. How about you, Ariana?
I would prefer sledding.
You prefer what?
Sledding.
Sledding. Okay. All right. Sledding. You prefer you prefer them to that's funny. You rather them like how reindeers do, like this. This would be cool. Oh my goodness, this is cool. That's nice. Pretty nice. All right, cool. That should be fun. But you can easily get hurt in this environment though. You can get hurt.
I mean, the snow wouldn't be.
I said I was still straight. That's why
Say it
I don't
again.
want to go.
Say it again.
Hurt.
You
When
can
you
get
fall,
yeah,
when
if
you
fall.
fall, it won't really that hurt. Only if you like on like one of them little ski things.
Yeah.
That it might hurt you a little bit.
Yeah, I mean that's why you wear protective clothing, I guess. So all right, so let's go. And we're off. So in the forest law. Number 19. Go ahead. Javon, read number 19.
Number 19. Very little rainfall has affected the production of plants in the desert. Which plant shown below can be found in a desert biome?
Biome.
Biome.
All right, which one?
A cacti.
Cactus.
B conifers. C
Conifers.
hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus and D dandelions.
Okay.
Wait, how do you call the first one again?
Cacti.
Oh, okay.
I feel like it's cacti.
I feel like it's the cacti or dandelions.
Okay. So the correct answer, we talk about the desert, it's definitely going to be the cacti. That's the plural for cactus. So the correct answer is A.
I'm finished.
I'm done.
I'm finished.
All right.
Excuse me, after this question, are we doing social studies?
No, we only doing science today.
Okay.
Number 20. Candasia, can you read number 20?
Yes, sir. Which of the following is not a way to conserve water? A. Doing full loads of laundry. B. Fixing leaky sinks and faucets. Or C. Leaving the shower on when it's not being used. Turning off the faucet when it's not being used. Let me go back to my question. Water is not a conductor. Water. I think it is. I think it is C.
All right. The C is, would you say the C is what? Leaving the shower on when it's not being
Used.
But they say which of the following is not a way to conserve water? That's correct. Leaving the shower on when it's not being used. That's correct. Very good, Candasia. Do we agree with her?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because that's not a, if you want to conserve water, then you would fix your leaky sinks, you would turn off the faucet, you would do your full loads of laundry. But if you do not want to conserve water, then you would leave the shower on.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Can I read number 21?
Yes,
I'm done.
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on to question number 21. Go ahead, Ariana.
Which two common products are made from oil? A. Coal and natural gas. B. Gasoline and diesel. C.
Diesel.
Diesel and coal. D. Natural gas and gasoline.
Okay, what you think?
I think it's B. Gasoline and diesel.
It's diesel.
Diesel.
I think the answer is B, gasoline and diesel.
Gasoline and diesel. Okay. So we want two common products made from oil. Okay. Made from oils. What are two common products that are made from oil? Read the answer for me, please. Ariana, refineries.
Refineries turn crude oil into
Usable product.
products such as transportation fuels, gasoline, diesel, and aviation fuels. Answer B.
B, very good. So the correct answer is B. So oil is turned into gasoline and diesel. And what do we use gasoline and diesel for?
To put in a car
To
or
put in your cars, to put in your car and to put in your trucks. So typically trucks go off diesel and cars go off of gasoline, typically. Okay.
we use gasoline to light a fire.
Yeah, we use it to light a fire.
I'm finished, Mr. Batik.
Oh.
I'm finished.
All right, so that's the last one. What I want you to do is take pictures of your work and then send it to me via WhatsApp beginning from number 1. All right?
My mom's not home, but I'll let her know when she gets here.
Yes, for sure.
Excuse me.
Yes.
During the week when we have face-to-face classes, do we bring lunch or snacks or we don't?
Yes, you definitely have to bring lunch, snacks. Definitely.
Okay, bye.
All right, take care.
Excuse me, Mr. Boutin, I'm definitely going to send the pictures.
All right, then. Thank you.
Goodbye.
All right, take care.